fast Simon maneuver. Exactly same with the Simon maneuver, but they are in a fast position. Alright, so let's say this patient having left anterior canal interviewing. So you have to do contrasite treatment. So if left, contrasite to the right, face out. Okay, get ready, face out, and put the leg down here. And now you have to do fast downward contrasite, very fast. If you are having a big body size patient, you need to have assistance from your staff, whatever. And just wait. So this is what we call fast Simon maneuver. Okay? Thank you.